Major news about the Clinton server scandal. In response to a lawsuit filed by several groups, including Judicial Watch, a federal judge has ordered the FBI to disclose more information into how it handled the investigation into Hillary Clinton's server. Joining us now to explain more is the president of Judicial Watch, Tom Fitton. All right, Tom, first of all, I think America owes you a thank you for all that you've done in your persistence, because had you not been persistent, along with people like Jay Sekulow, I don't know whether or not any of this stuff would have come out. But the latest is that a federal judge has said the FBI has to disclose information about the investigation that they didn't want to disclose. And why don't you just tell us specifically what that information is?
Well, just to take a step back, we're trying to get the State Department to work with the Justice Department under law, the Federal Records Act, to go and get Mrs. Clinton's emails and take action. And they're trying to persuade the judge that there's nothing else to do. And they filed this secret document from the FBI describing what they've done. And the judge says, you can't keep this secret, and I'm going to release it. And it's going to describe what the FBI has done to date, including efforts to try to get declassified info, subpoena her internet providers and things like that.
Okay.
So it's a good ruling in the sense that it forces the FBI to put some more cards on the table. But the problem, Judge, is that we're battling the State Department and Justice Department, not during the Obama administration, but right now, over this ridiculous issue of just trying to get information about Mrs. Clinton.
Who went before the federal judge and said, we don't want to hand out any information about the FBI's investigation into Hillary's server? The Justice Department or the State Department?
Oh, the State Department's the defendant, and they're represented by Justice Department lawyers.
Okay.
So you have a twofer on the deep state here.
Okay, and that's where I'm going. We're talking about the deep state here. We've got a federal judge saying you're both wrong, Justice Department and State Department, but we've got Jeff Sessions and we've got Rex Tillerson who are in charge of those departments. And I would suspect, Tom, that when I was a DA myself, they don't go into court without talking to me about major cases. So what am I missing here? Is it the deep state or is it Sessions and Tillerson? Who is objecting to this?
Well, the deep state is a big issue. I mean, if left to operate on its own, it's going to object, it's going to obstruct, it's going to protect Hillary Clinton and the Obama administration. And that's why the head of the agencies, like Secretary Tillerson and the Attorney General or his designees, need to get these bureaucrats under control and start releasing this information. You know, I'm pretty sure that President Trump doesn't want to be spending taxpayer resources defending Hillary Clinton. We're trying to get the emails she deleted, Judge, and we're facing a fight from the Trump administration's appointees and agencies. It's something that is so frustrating. It's one thing that faced this during the Obama administration.
But now it is.
Oh, boy.
All right. Well, Tom, thanks for all the work you're doing, and thank goodness for this judge. And coming up, see